New York Attorney General Letitia James has taken a stand against fraudulent activities and dysfunction in the cryptocurrency industry by proposing a new state bill aimed at further regulating the sector. She believes that additional regulations are necessary to protect investors and prevent deceptive practices that could result in New York residents losing their cryptocurrency investments. On May 5th, the New York Attorney General's office released a press statement outlining their plans to enhance state regulations concerning crypto-related organizations. James introduced the Crypto Regulation Protection, Transparency, and Oversight Act, a comprehensive piece of legislation aiming to be the strongest and most expansive crypto regulation in the United States. The proposed bill aims to safeguard investors, consumers, and the overall economy. The Attorney General's proposal includes provisions for independent public audits of crypto exchanges. This measures ensures transparency and accountability in the operations of these platforms, reducing the risk of fraudulent activities. To prevent conflicts of interest, New York residents would be prohibited from owning brokerages and cryptocurrency issuing companies. Furthermore, the Crypto Act would require crypto organizations to reimburse customers for any losses incurred due to fraud. This provision adds an extra layer of protection for investors who may fall victim to deceptive practices within the cryptocurrency industry. The proposed legislation also addresses the regulation of stablecoins. It stipulates that companies can only market a digital asset as a stablecoin if it is backed one-to-one by U.S. currency or high-quality liquid assets, as defined in federal regulations. This provision aims to ensure the stability and reliability of stablecoins in the market. The Crypto Act will be presented to the New York State Senate and Assembly during the 2023 legislative session. If passed, the Attorney General's office will have the authority to issue subpoenas for violations of the regulations and impose civil penalties. The increased scrutiny on the cryptocurrency industry follows major collapses and scandals that occurred in 2022. Federal agencies, particularly the Securities and Exchange Commission, have intensified their focus on digital assets this year. In response, various crypto organizations have expressed concerns about the lack of regulatory clarity in the country. Notably, state regulators like the New York Attorney General's office have also stepped up their regulatory efforts in the crypto industry. In March, the office filed a lawsuit against the crypto platform KuCoin, accusing it of providing brokerage services without proper registration. The New York Department of Financial Services ordered Paxos in February to halt the minting of the stablecoin BUSD, citing its status as an unregistered security. With Attorney General Letitia James's proposed crypto regulations, it is evident that New York regulators are committed to cracking down on fraudulent activities in the crypto industry. Nonetheless, the cryptocurrency market continues to demonstrate strength, boasting a market cap of $1.177 trillion. In addition to the proposed regulations, Attorney General Letitia James aims to strengthen consumer protection within the cryptocurrency industry. The Crypto Act includes provisions to enhance transparency and disclosure requirements for crypto organizations. This means that companies will be required to provide near and accurate information to customers regarding the risks associated with investing in cryptocurrencies, ensuring that individuals can make informed decisions. Moreover, the proposed legislation seeks to address concerns about more money laundering and illicit activities facilitated by crypto. It includes measures to enhance anti-money laundering and know your customer protocols for crypto exchanges and other crypto-related businesses by imposing stricter regulations and compliance standards. The aim is to prevent cryptocurrencies from being misused for illegal purposes. To enforce these regulations effectively, the Crypto Act grants the New York Attorney General's office the authority to issue subpoenas and conduct investigations into potential violations. This increased enforcement power will enable swift action against entities that fail to comply with the regulations, further deterring fraudulent practices in the industry. The proposed legislation also aligns with the broader national and international efforts to regulate crypto. With the global rise of digital assets, regulators around the world are grappling with the need to establish comprehensive frameworks to balance innovation and investor protection. By taking a proactive approach, the New York Attorney General's office aims to position the state as a leader in responsible cryptocurrency regulation and set a precedent for other jurisdictions to follow. It is worth noting that while some in the cryptocurrency community may express concerns about increased regulations stifling innovation, proponents of the Crypto Act argue that well-crafted regulations can bring more legitimacy and stability to the industry. By establishing clear rules and guidelines, the proposed legislation aims to foster trust among investors, attract institutional players, and ultimately contribute to the long-term growth and sustainability of the cryptocurrency market. As the Crypto Act moves forward to the legislative process, it is expected to generate debates and discussions among stakeholders, including crypto organizations, investors, and regulators. The outcome of these deliberations will shape the regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies not only in New York but potentially across the United States, as other states may look to follow suit with their own regulatory initiatives. In the meantime, the cryptocurrency market continues to evolve and demonstrate resilience despite regulatory challenges. With its substantial market capitalization and growing interest from mainstream investors, crypto remains a significant force in the global financial landscape. The proposed regulations aim to strike a balance between fostering innovation and protecting investors, with the ultimate goal of creating a more secure and trustworthy environment for the cryptocurrency industry to thrive. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you with another interesting video.